So this is a sardine salad. Now sardines are making a comeback. That's if they even ever disappeared. Sardines have always been there, and we usually have one or two in the pantry somewhere, and we rarely even remember to make it the star of the show, you know, in the kitchen. And then one day you're really hungry in the midnight and you're famished and you don't know what to eat, but you sort of want to eat healthy, and then you remember, oh, I've got a can of sardines there. So that's usually, well, my experience with sardines. I don't know about you. So this is an easy sardine salad recipe, and this recipe is so quick to make. It sardines, some fresh tomatoes, fresh onions, cucumber for crunch, a little dressing, some lemon juice, a little salt, some honey, and black pepper, and that's it. And then just a sprinkle of parsley, fresh parsley. But you can make this salad however you want, however you prefer. This is how I make mine. So let's tuck into the salad. So this is it. This is our sardine salad. Let's have our first taste test. Oh, by the way, I was really happy with these avocados. Avocados are such a hit or miss for me sometimes, and I bought these from a shop that had them. I bought them, they were quite unripe at the time, so I stored them at home for a little while, about 4 days, 3 to 4 days, and now they're very ripe. I've got one more left, so I'm excited to have that one later. So yeah, avocados can be such a hit or miss, so I'm really happy this one is a hit. Now let's try our sardine salad. I'm just going to head on now to finish my salad, but I hope you get to try it. Thank you for watching, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel for more yummy food videos and conversations about food. I'll see you later. Bye. So this is a sardine salad. Sardines.